We'll guide you through how to sync Gmail contacts on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really convenient having your Gmail contacts on your iPhone, so we'll guide you through how you can go and sync them. Perhaps you've got a lot on there, and so this will save you from having to go and manually go and add them all. Maybe you're coming from an Android, which is why you want to do this, or you've just got a lot of contacts in your Gmail. We'll guide you through how this can be done. So to go and get started with this, we need to go and add the Gmail account onto our iPhone. We'll guide you through this. If you've already got it on your iPhone, don't worry as well. We'll guide you through how you can then go and start getting the contacts on there as well. So make sure you watch this step by step. What we need to do is go and open up the settings app like so. Next, you want to go and scroll down to the bottom. There you're going to find apps which you can tap on. Now you need to go and scroll down to M. This stands for mail and this is alphabetical. So here it is, mail. Now we can press mail accounts. So here we can go and add in the account, so tap on it, and then you can press add account. Here you need to go and enter in your email address. So go and enter in your Gmail like so. Once you've got that, you can press next in the top right. We'll press open browser and it's going to go and open up on Google. Confirm your email and press next. After signing in, you are going to have to go and give it some permissions. So these are pretty normal. I'll press continue there. Now, what's super key here is you go and switch on contacts. You don't actually have to have mail on if you don't want it. I will, but make sure contacts are switched on. Then you can go and press save and the account's now added. Now, if you've already got your Gmail or Google account in this list here, all you need to do is tap on it and make sure contacts are switched on. Now they're going to be syncing onto your iPhone. So just to go and show you this working, we can come out of the settings app like so. And then what you can do is go and locate the contacts app like this. Now, by default, you're probably going to be on your iPhone contacts. You may need to go and press the back button in the top left and you can press all contacts, or you can just go and look at your Gmail contacts. It's going to be up to you, but that's it. So I can then scroll through here and go and see my different contacts. We can tap on them and go and see their info. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more videos just like this.